Hi, my name is Kelly Maluski. I'm a park naturalist here at Metroparks Toledo, and I'm here today to do an experiment with you. This experiment is called Cloud in a Jar, and hopefully you have all these supplies already at home with you. You don't have to go out and get any. So we need really only a couple of things. We need some shaving cream, and it has to be the shaving cream that is the foam shaving cream. So if you have that at home, that's one of our supplies that we need. We also need some food coloring. I'm going to be using blue today, but you could use whatever you have at home, whether it's our yellow or green or red, or you can make your own colors, whichever you like. And then we just need a container with some water in it. So I'm using a plastic clear cup. Clear is best. Another thing we've used in the past are mason jars, or if you've got a salsa jar or spaghetti jar, just some glass clear jar that you could use would be excellent for this. And I'm using a paper plate here just to catch any mess that we might make. So we've got our cup, we fill it about halfway. You could even go a little more if you want, maybe 3/4 of the way of water. And again, this is an experiment, so you could try this several times and see how it works best for you. But we are mimicking, our experiment is again a cloud in a jar. So we're seeing how these clouds work and how rain can move through them. So I've got my jar and my water. I'm gonna take my foam shaving cream and fill it all the way to the top, which is my cloud. Now I'm going to be using blue food coloring today. Again, you could use any color that you have at home, or you can create your own colors. We're just going to drop several drops on the top of the cloud and see what happens. I hope you enjoyed this quick, fast cloud in a jar activity. Again, all you need is some water, some shaving cream, and some food coloring, and a clear either plastic cup or glass jar for you to use. Fill the water up about 3/4 of the way, add your shaving cream and your food coloring, and have an experiment. Enjoy.